Hey, the most powerful medicine in your health journey might not be in a bottle. It might be you. Hey, I'm Mandy, and if you've been following this series at all, you already know that I'm here to help you to stop feeling dismissed and discouraged and disrespected by the healthcare system, because you do deserve better. And today I'm sharing 3 final ways that you can take back control, starting with your daily choices and your unshakable worth. Okay, tip number 10. Yes, I'm starting with 10 because I've already gone over 1 through 9 in previous videos, so make sure you check those out. Take charge with healthy habits. No magic pill here, just real life changes. Fuel your body with foods that support healing, not hijack it. Move your body daily, not for punishment, but because it feels good. Set healthy boundaries to protect your peace, and do what you can to lower your stress, because stress is like throwing gasoline on the inflammation fire. Small, consistent shifts add up over time. And I'll be honest, it is not always easy. I'm with you. I understand that. It is not easy to make these shifts and change these habits, but it is always worth it. And the lifestyle changes, the healthy lifestyle changes, those habit changes, that's what I'm trained to do. That's what I'm trained to help you do as a health coach. I help you establish those little tiny steps of changing those lifestyle habits that are going to make a huge difference in a way that is sustainable and is not overwhelming. So you can't beat that. Okay, number 11, build your circle. What does that mean? And I'm going to say this loud for the women in the back. You do not have to do this alone. Now, I get it. We are strong women. We are taught to pull up our bootstraps and just keep chugging along, and we can do hard things and all of that. And all of that is true. But it is okay to have people surrounding you, around you, that are going to help uplift you and help encourage you and help you attain your goals that you want to attain and help you be a better person. So you don't have to do this alone. Find your people, whether that's family, friends, Facebook group, fierce Gen Xers, or a coaching group with a coach who's been there, hint, hint, like me. When I connected with other women that were going through a lot of the same things that I was going through, the caregiving, when I was dealing with autoimmunity, changing my diet, all those things, it changed everything for me to have that other support. So build your circle. All right, tip number 12, embrace your worth. Embrace your worth. That is why I named my company Embrace Your Worth Wellness, because it is super important to embrace your own worth. You are not a burden. You are not too much. You are not broken. You are worthy. You are worthy because God created you that way. He made you worthy. So take a moment to celebrate how far you've come. Every question that you've asked, every boundary that you've set, every time you've said, no, that's not okay, that is advocacy in action. So you've done more than survive. You've shown up, and that's powerful. So when you need extra help, if you're saying, yeah, Mandy, that all sounds great, but it feels overwhelming, then I totally get it. It feels overwhelming to do all these things that are going to be helpful for me to live a healthier lifestyle and a more productive lifestyle. Okay, so that's why I offer my personalized one-to-one coaching program. It's a 90-day, I'm the boss of my health transformation program, and you're going to love it. Because here's the thing. Even the best doctors, you only see them every few months, right? But you need weekly support, weekly accountability. You need somebody in your corner who knows the ins and outs of this healing journey that you might be on. When I hired my own health coach, it was a game changer. I'm probably going to do a video about that, by the way. It sped up my healing. It kept me sane. And it kept me realizing that I can do this. I can make these huge changes. I didn't eat fast food for 2 solid years. And if you would have said that to me 5 years ago, I would have been like, yeah, right. I live on fast food. So if you're ready for that kind of support, then I would love to be your coach. Look in the description, download the free Speak Up and Feel Better guide. It includes all 12 doctor tips, symptom tracker, and space for all of your notes and research. You're going to feel more organized for your next appointment and less alone, I promise. You're doing hard things already. You're taking action. You're reclaiming your health. That makes you unstoppable. So let's keep going.